Check this out, guys. Time for some more gourd harvest. This is nice, a nice size, nearly ready. I'm going to leave that on the plant. Let's have a look at this one. Oh yes, this one is definitely ready for harvesting. Check that out. These are delicious vegetables to have, extremely healthy, really nice and tasty. Let's have a look on this side. Yep, there's another one here. They're growing all over the place. Still time for this to grow, so I'm going to leave this on as well. You can see these gourd plants are extremely healthy. The leaves look really nice and green. No fungus or pests affecting them. It's climbed all the way to the top of the trellis. Yeah, let's harvest one of these gourds. Okay, pass me the knife. Okay, I'm going to harvest this nice sized gourd here. They are quite heavy, so see, took that bit of the trellis down there. Just cut it here. Using a steak knife. There we have it. Lovely gourd, still nice and young, skin's nice and soft, and be nice and tasty once it's cooked. So this is the bottled gourd curry which we have cooked with fish. A lovely curry, lovely taste, lovely flavour. You can see the bottled gourd there. I'm going to enjoy that. So this is the bottled gourd peel or skin, which can also be used and cooked. So we've chopped these up nice and finely, and this will be used in one of our curries as well. So nothing from the bottled gourd is going to waste. So we've just added the peel or chopped skin of the gourd in this dish with the fish and the onions, and we will allow this to cook for another 10-15 minutes. But this is one of my favorite dishes, full of flavor and a lovely taste, lovely texture of the peel chopped up. And that's the bottle gourd. I'm just going to garnish this with some fresh green chilies, and then this is ready to be devoured. So we've used the bottle gourd peel chopped up with some dried fish in there and some fresh green chilies. Wow.